Well, we should welcome it in a very organized fashion. First of all, I tell people finish your shopping before Ramadan starts.
Shopping.
Yes, don't spend your Eid shopping money in Ramadan. Don't spend those precious moments of Ramadan in marketplaces and shops. Finish off. Secondly, it's not farz upon us to have a new set of clothes every Eid. Let's try to buy somebody else a new set of clothes this Eid.
Inshallah.
3. Ramadan is about sharing and caring. Make a habit of that in Ramadan. 4. Remember, it's about not just spiritual, but also it's about physical detoxification. Eat well, eat healthy, eat wise. It's a good time to improve your health and lose weight also in Ramadan. Last but not least, Ramadan, make sure, because Ramadan has come. Why? لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ, to make us more pious. Make sure that with Ramadan, through ibadah, through worship, through hard work and dua, we turn out to be, inshallah, better believers than it started. So make dua, concentrate, focus, and get the most of Ramadan by asking Allah for the most. May Allah make this Ramadan a huge, colossal blessing for all of us, for all the believers, for all the Muslims, and even those perhaps who are not yet Muslims.